Hello everyone. This video is brought to you by Newton's Group of Institutions. This is Arvind Egreddy from Department of CSE. In this video, I'll be talking about variables in C. Variables in C programming language are the named memory locations where the user can store different values of the same data type during the program execution. That means variable is a name given to the memory location in which we can store different values of the same data type. In other words, a variable can be defined as a storage container to hold the values of the same data type during the program execution. The formal definition of the data type is something like this. Variable is a name given to the memory location where we can store different values of the same data type during the program execution. Every variable in the C programming language must be declared in the declaration section before it is used. Every variable must have a data type to determine the range and type of the values to be stored and the size of the memory to be allocated. A variable may contain letters, digits, and underscore symbol. The following are the rules to specify the variable name. Variable name should not start with a digit. Keywords should not be used as variable names. A variable name should not contain any special symbols except underscore, and the variable name can be of any length, but the compiler considers only the first 31 characters of the variable name. Declaration of the variable tells the compiler to allocate the required amount of memory with the specified variable name and allows only specified data value into the memory location. In C programming language, the declaration can be performed either before the function as global variable or inside any block or function, but it must be at the beginning of the block of the function. The declaration syntax is something like this: data type, variable name. Example, int number. The above declaration tells the compiler that allocates 2 bytes of memory with the name, number, and allows only integer value into that memory location. Thank you all. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.